Hello, I just wanted to pop in really quick and show you how important a heat gun is. So I was just pressing an oatmeal right now and I was like, something's off. So I went and grabbed my heat gun, temp gun I guess I should say, and way off, like 15 degrees off. So I'm going to show you right now, and then also I'm going to show you a little behind the scenes of our warehouse. Okay, so this is my press. It is set at 330 degrees. I've had it maintained at 330 degrees for the last 45 minutes. It's just to really give it time to regulate. So, show you my heat gun in the middle. Look at that, way off. So that's a good 17 degrees off, 15, 16, 17 degrees. So definitely use a heat gun to test your heat press. I was going to press an oatmeal, and especially with the oatmeal needs that lower temp for with the higher time. So to prevent burning and scorching the oatmeal, definitely test your heat press so you can get your times right. And again, if you are lowering your temperature and that's making you nervous, just raise the time that you're gonna press it to still get that vibrant image that you're wanting without risking scorching or ruining the product. So I'm gonna give you a little bit of behind the scenes. This is our new warehouse. We've moved in here, we've been here for about a month maybe. So we're still getting things set up, but here is a sneak peek sample. What do you guys think of this? So we have our hundreds on this side and our packers over here. They're amazing. And our 95s over here. We have our labelers over here, and all of our good stuff getting ready to get packed out. Thank you again for stopping by the Always Blanks YouTube channel. Don't forget, heat temp gun, very important. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Any comments, questions, or ideas for future videos, leave it in the comments. Bye.